Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. However, we don't give buy or sell signals here. So if you're expecting it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested in learning and being part of the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. I do have two stocks that I'm watching today. The first one is ticker PLTR. The stock is gapping up pre-market with close to around 4.5 million shares traded, and it's holding the trend well. So I do have support levels around the 2490 area, 2468 and 2450 area. I'll be looking to buy the dips if the stock wants to give me a pullback to these levels. The next stock that I'm watching today is ticker VACQ. The stock is clearly overcrowded with close to around 8 million shares traded, and the stock is down pretty much from its pre-market high of 1650, so I'll be careful trading the stock. Going into market open, my primary watch would be ticker PLTR, and we have 30 seconds to market open. The market is open, placing an order out there at 25, 150 shares. I'm in. My next ad would be around 2478. So 2480 was a support, and probably it will bounce off that area. Had I got my second ad at 2478, maybe I would have sold now, but I'm holding. I just want to give it some time to work out. If it's not holding above 25, then probably I'll cancel my order at 2478. Yep, now it's back over 25. Stock is trying hard to bounce off the 2510 area. Yep, the first 5-minute candle has reversed now. I don't see a reason to sell now. If 2525 breaks open, probably it's going to go, but having a hard time. Yep, now it's about 2525. Stock should maintain those levels. I gave it some time to work for me, and this time it failed. This is the tough journey of a day trader. If I had sold PLTR, it would have gone higher and higher, and now since I'm holding, it's hesitating to go high. I'm taking 50 shares off at 25.25, and now I'm remaining with 100 shares. I do have my second order on PLTR around 2462. I wish I get my ad this time. I'm patiently waiting. Break it down for me so that I could add some more of PLTR. PLTR, it's so annoying. If volume comes in, maybe PLTR would make a push to the high side. Look at how choppy this stock is. It goes up and comes down, goes up and comes down. I think this is clearly working to annoy me. Watching. Yep, got my another 50 at 25.38. I'm holding 50 more shares. Selling. Not a great trade. I would say this was the most annoying trade I had for a while. It was a time sucker, and I'm happy at least I came out of the trade green. So I think I'll call it a day. I'm a bit annoyed with PLTR, and I don't want to continue trading with that mindset. So probably I'll call it a day. Overall, on the day, I made $58 and I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basis and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.